fresh new episode 63. Welcome back. And today's highlight would be the civil work which is going on. As I have covered in yesterday's video, we have completed the flooring work near the sink area, and the highlight of this is all the door frames. I am maintaining a door height of 7 feet, and with the door frame it will be 7 feet 3 inches. So what you had seen was the lintel what we have made, so that the door becomes sturdy and it has a proper support. Moving ahead, we have initiated the carpentry work. I have focused on the kids room wardrobe yesterday. In the living room, we have a few furniture elements, as like what you see here is in the window seating area. We have sleek drawers. Apart from that, fabricating roofing was underway, that has been completed. This is the master bedroom wardrobe, and yesterday we have even completed with the parapet tiling work, so that is what I wanted to highlight today. This is the parapet tiling. We have followed the pattern of the flooring. Roofing is all set. There is the leveling to be followed for wall punning, which will be done. This is again the lintels what I have created for the door framing, so that there is a proper support for the door frame. Wardrobe, I have already explained yesterday that we have started with it. There is one small thing which I forgot to mention yesterday. My team is very happy. Yeah, moving back, the back of the furniture element also we have a habit of applying inner laminate. So stay tuned guys for all such updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.